Football trading advice for beginners. An introduction into modern football betting. Football betting is a tough nut to crack if you're just betting the home/draw/away and correct score markets. I would like to equip you with some new tools that will help you become a better gambler. This article contains one of those tools. There are plenty of websites selling football systems that are borderline profitable. Some of them are rather complex and require a lot of effort on your part. I have found a few simple football trading strategies that I would like to share with you in the hope that they improve your betting technique and show you a different way to make money from the greatest sport on earth. You will need an account with an online betting exchange in order to use these strategies. I recommend using the Chromaweb Arb Calculator, which calculates the amount of money you need to invest in order to make a profit whatever the outcome. Draw trading. My favorite draw trading strategy is also the simplest one I have found. Pick a game where you expect a lot of goals. Checking out the latest team news and current form will help you identify qualifying matches. Once you have found a suitable game, lay the draw on Betfair before the game has started. You will probably get odds of 3.4 or 3.5, which is 12/5 and 5/2 respectively. As soon as the first goal has been scored, back the draw at slightly bigger odds in such a way that you make the same amount of profit whatever happens in the match. The Chromaweb Arb Calculator will tell you exactly how much to bet in order to do this. With this technique, you can make money before the game has ended purely by backing the draw at higher odds than you laid it. Here's the maths. Lay the draw for £100 at 3.5. Bet returns £140. A goal is scored and the odds for the draw change to 5.0. 4/1 fractional. Back the draw for £28 at 5.0. Bet returns £140. Total staked £128. Expected profit £12. 9.3% increase. If the game finishes in a draw, then you lose the £100 lay bet but win £140 from the £28 bet, giving you a tidy little profit of £12 without much risk. If one of the teams wins the game, then you lose your £28 bet but the £100 lay bet returns £140, meaning that you've just earned £12. If you can also back the 0-0 correct score at bigger odds than 15/1 before the game starts, you could invest a small amount of that £12 potential profit to reduce your liability, but then you have to maintain a higher strike rate, so I advise you to test how accurate you are with your predictions. A strike rate of 90% will make you money using the calculations above. In the future the system might require a higher or lower strike rate in order to remain profitable, and that's something you should monitor. You would do this by maintaining a notebook or Microsoft Word document and recording your bets. If you can be very selective with the matches you choose, you can still make good money on Betfair using this system. Where else can you find a reasonably low-risk investment with 9.3% interest that returns within 90 minutes plus extra time? Useful links: Takesal Sports Online Sports Betting Forum.